I'm back once again, and joining me is my good friend Daniel Park, and we're taking a look today at the EC50 55 series of mobile computers that Zebra has just released. Dan, thanks for joining me.
Hi Andrew.
Well Dan, EC50 55, what is it?
Well, it's a new category of device for us. The EC stands for Enterprise Companion, and we have two variants, EC50, which is inside the four walls, and EC55, which includes a 4G WAN radio. But it's a new category in that it's our lightest and thinnest mobile computer. Looks like a smartphone, but it is a rugged Zebra device.
The Zebra range of mobile devices is quite large. Where does this EC50 55 radio sort of sit in that range?
Right. Look, we do generally have a value tier device, a mid-tier and a premium tier device in our range, but they're generally for specific use cases. And where this device differs is that it can be in a more generalized device. So picture, say, a retail store where you have workers with TC52s, they scan and use it for very specific workflows. This device can be assigned to, say, a manager for more general use cases, gets him away from his computer, gets him walking around the retail floor, but they can share the same applications and tools and utilities as the TC52. So Andrew, let me throw a question at you. We've been working on a lot of these type of videos. Where do you see this device being used?
Well, Dan, I really see this device as being one that can expand the use of mobile computing within a business. Traditionally where there may be a manager, for example, that might come in and out of that mobile device space. You wouldn't traditionally go and buy them, invest in another mobile computer for them. But this device now is that all-in-one device. It can be their mobile phone. They can use it for checking their emails, and then of course they can come into that mobile device enterprise space with this device. So expanding that use, as an example, retail store associates now can be given this one device, lightweight, easy to carry all day, good battery life, rugged, barcode scanner included, that now they've got a device that they can access to help customers even better.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, with a barcode scanner in the device, if the manager is walking the floor and a customer needs some help with a price or something, they can just easily scan that barcode and find a price for that customer. Other use cases are also, collaboration. So with every worker having a device, we can collaborate much better with some of our voice tools and messaging tools, such as PTT Pro, so it's a push-to-talk functionality, or full duplex voice over IP, or enterprise messaging. So it just increases that collaboration with the fellow worker.
Now the big question, Dan, is when would you suggest someone consider the EC50 or 55 mobile device?
Well, as it's one of our more attractive devices, it really lends itself to customer-facing workflows such as, price lookup or queue busting, etc. But don't be confused by this device. It does look like a smartphone, but internally it's a rugged Zebra device. It's got the rugged drop specs, etc., and all the enterprise functionality that we've built up over many years helping enterprise customers.